In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Slack, send channel alerts. By the end, you'll have an automation that posts clear, timely messages into a Slack channel whenever a specific event happens in another app. First, open Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name so you can recognize it later, something like Slack Channel Alerts. If you organize your automations in folders, you can choose one now or leave it blank and create the workflow. This takes you to the workflow builder where you'll set up the trigger and the action that follows it. Next, set up your trigger. The trigger is the event that kicks everything off. Think a new form submission, a new subscriber, a purchase, a fresh row in a spreadsheet, or a webhook. In the trigger section, pick the app where that event occurs, then choose the exact trigger event from the list. Connect your app account so Pabbly can read the data and run a quick test so it captures a sample. That sample is important because it shows you the fields you'll be able to include in your Slack message, like a name, an email, an amount, or a date. If you don't see recent data, create a quick test entry in the source app so Pabbly has something to pull in. After the trigger looks good, add Slack as your action. Click the plus button under the trigger, search for Slack, and select it. For the action event, choose Send Channel Message. This tells Pabbly to post to a specific Slack channel every time your trigger fires, which is perfect for alerts and notifications. Now connect your Slack account. Click Connect or Add New Connection and choose Bot Token, which is the recommended option for posting channel messages. A Slack authorization window will open. Approve the requested permissions for your workspace. Once granted, Pabbly will show your Slack connection as active. Using a bot token means messages appear from a bot user, keeping alerts consistent and easy to identify. Finally, configure your message. Select the Slack channel where the alert should appear. In the message text box, write your notification and map in dynamic fields from the trigger so each alert is specific and useful. You can include details like a name, a status, an amount, or a timestamp, and add line breaks for readability. Keep it concise but informative so your team can act quickly. And that's it. Your workflow is ready to send clear channel alerts from Pabbly Connect straight into Slack.